Understanding the insanity plea in legal context. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating legal term, the insanity plea. This phrase is often heard in legal dramas and news, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. The insanity plea is a legal concept used in criminal trials. It's a defense strategy where the defendant claims that they were not responsible for their actions due to mental illness at the time of the crime. This plea is based on the idea that punishment is not appropriate if the person didn't have the capacity to understand or control their actions. The insanity plea has a complex history. It dates back to ancient times but was formally recognized in English law in the 19th century. The Manhattan Rule of 1843 is a famous standard used to determine insanity, stating that a person is legally insane if they were unable to understand the nature of their act or didn't know it was wrong. For an insanity plea to be considered, certain criteria must be met. Generally, it must be proven that the defendant 1. Had a severe mental disease or defect. 2. Did not understand the nature and quality of their actions. 3. Could not distinguish right from wrong with respect to the act. If a court accepts an insanity plea, the defendant may not be sent to prison. Instead, they are often committed to a mental health facility for treatment. The length of stay can vary and may sometimes be longer than a prison sentence would have been. The insanity plea is often controversial. Some people believe it's a loophole for criminals to avoid punishment. Others argue it's a necessary protection for those with severe mental illnesses. It's important to understand that this plea is actually rarely used and even less often successful. Thank you for joining us in exploring the insanity plea. It's a complex and nuanced aspect of the legal system, highlighting how law intersects with mental health issues. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand this intriguing legal concept better. Stay tuned for more insightful language learning content.